Mihango ya obi wa kamiti njeru ya Iebc ni ironekana kweheria wagagu uria urareho wa bururi gwikora kihingici-ini gia gikatiba. Kamiti iria yehokeirwo kwamura makamishna erũ makionania mwihoko wa gutiriha mihango mweri-ini wa kana ugiuka gukinya muthia. Akiaria na andiki a mohoro munini wa muikarĩri giti wa kamiti ĩno Linda Kiome augite makiria ma andu 300 nio mandikite marua ma kuihuria mienya kamiti-ini ya Iebc na beria iratanywo kuongerereka mbere ya mihango ĩno ihingĩtwo.
If we give the names by the 25th of April, it means by May we should be having a commission in accordance with the law.
The application process is ongoing and as placed in the advert, it shall expire at 5 p.m. on Saturday 15th February 2025.
Thutha wa mweke uria uheanitwo wa kwandika marua gukinya muthia tariki 15 mweri uyu, kamiti ĩno ibatie guthurima aria mena ũhoti na thutha ucio kumagereka kabiro na kuneana maritwa mao kuri President William Ruto tariki 25 mweri wa kana.
Keep to the fidelity of the task that we have been given and will faithfully discharge it so that we give this country an honorable commission.
Also making stakeholder engagements and to ensure that we capacitate this selection panel to ensure that we give Kenyans persons that are above reproach and persons that will adhere to the law.
Nonda gukiri uguo uria wari murugamiriri munene wa kiama kia mawakiri LSK ni ahandite cira igoti-ini wa gwikirira ucuki kwamurwo kwa Professor Adams Olo kamiti-ini ĩno ya wamburani, akiuga no atungataga ta mutari wa President Ruto no kamiti ĩno ni kanite gukorwo yamukirite marua o mothe megie cira toyo.
As far as we are concerned, there are no injunctions. Therefore, we are continuing with our work with that member until as directed by the court, because this commission this panel, I apologize, will adhere to the law. But as at now, there is no injunction.
Ikundi iria irugamirirwo kamiti-ini ĩno ni hamwe na kaji ya mawakiri LSK, kamiti ya wandikani PSC, kaji ya kidini Interreligious Council, ngwatanĩro ya atari ya mathabu Iebc, ciama cia kiũteti oro hamwe na kamiti ya gũtuithania ndũgamano cia kiũteti.